ഹായ് വ്യൂവേഴ്സ്, വെൽക്കം ടു ഫുൾ ഓഫ് കെമിസ്ട്രി. ദിസ് ഈസ് മുബീന അഷ്കർ. ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ എടുക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത് 2014 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമ്പർ 51 to 60 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ്. സോ പ്ലീസ് ലിസൺ. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമ്പർ 51. Whey agglutination test is done for? The answer is option B, Brucella. Whey agglutination test is a useful diagnostic method for detecting virulent abortus infection, particularly in the udder. Milk capillary tube test is best made with the hematoxylin antigen. Milk ring test, here antigen used for the test can be stained with dyes like hematoxylin and diphenyl tetrazolium chloride. Hematoxylin stained antigen gives a ring of deep blue color. Tetrazolium stained antigen have the advantage of ease of preparation and it will give light red color. Question number 52. Gram variable bacteria is seen in which phase of growth curve? The answer is option C, stationary phase. It is during this phase that the culture is at its greatest population density and the spores start forming during this stage. Gram variable organisms are those that cannot be grouped as either negative or positive. Question number 53. Traveler's diarrhea is caused by? The answer is option D, enterotoxigenic E. coli. Bacteria are the most common cause of TD. The most common pathogen is enterotoxigenic E. coli, followed by Campylobacter jejuni, Shigella and Salmonella. It occurs within 10 days of travel to an area with poor public hygiene. Question number 54. Immunoglobulin which crosses the placenta normally. The answer is option A, IgG. The fetus is dependent on its mother for passive immunity involving receptor-mediated specific transport of antibodies. IgG is the only antibody type that can cross the placenta efficiently, except for its IgG2 subclass. Question number 55. The following are acid-fast organisms except? The answer is option D, Cryptococcus. AFB sharing the characteristics of acid fastness. It is a physical property that gives a bacterium the ability to resist decolorization by acids during staining procedures. Examples for AFB are Mycobacterium tuberculosis, Mycobacterium leprae, Mycobacterium avium and Nocardia species. Question number 56. Criteria for diagnosis for acute leukemia is? The answer is option B, 20% blast. According to WHO, the diagnosis of acute myeloid leukemia is established by demonstrating involvement of more than 20% of the blood and bone marrow by leukemic myeloblast, except in the three best prognosis forms of AML with recurrent genetic abnormalities. Question number 57. Plasma trapping is seen during estimation of? The answer is option D, hematocrit. The insufficient centrifugation, poor mixing and inappropriate anticoagulant concentration can also contribute to technical errors. In spun hematocrit, a number of disorders that have abnormal red cells may cause plasma to be trapped in the erythrocyte. The osmotic fragility test is used to measure erythrocyte resistance to hemolysis while being exposed to varying level of dilution of a saline solution. EDTA can be used as an anticoagulant for osmotic fragility test. It helps to diagnose two hereditary conditions, that is thalassemia and hereditary spherocytosis. Question number 58. Light scatter and impedance counting are the basic principles of? The answer is option C, flow cytometry. It is used to detect, identify and count specific cells. Immunohistochemistry is the most common application of immunostaining. It involves the process of selectively identifying antigens in cells of a tissue section. Fluorescent in situ hybridization is used for detecting and locating a specific DNA sequence on a chromosome. Polymerase chain reaction is used to rapidly make millions to billions of copies of a specific DNA sample. 59th question. Heparin is used in estimation of? The answer is option B, osmotic fragility. Heparin is the only anticoagulant used to prepare samples for blood gas analysis. It is used to prevent blood clots from forming in people who have certain medical conditions. The most widely used laboratory assay for monitoring unfractionated heparin therapy is the activated partial thromboplastin time. The last question, the antibody specific for systemic lupus erythematosus is. The answer is option C, anti-double-stranded DNA. ANA, the anti-nuclear antibody test, is the most commonly used screening test for SLE. The presence of anti-DNA, anti-SM and anti-phospholipid antibodies is more specific for diagnosing lupus erythematosus. Anti-SSA or anti-RO are autoantibodies that are associated with many autoimmune diseases such as lupus erythematosus, SS or SLE, overlap syndrome, neonatal lupus, and primary biliary cirrhosis. They are often present in Sjogren's syndrome. Well, let's wind up this video. ഇനി ബാക്കിയുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസുമായി നമുക്ക് വീണ്ടും കാണാം. Bye.